Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a broccoli slaw casserole. And what I've got in here is I've got 1.5 pounds of ground chuck and 1 medium onion. I'm going to put, while this is cooking, I've got what's left of some mushrooms that I sauteed. I'm going to go in and put these in here. Alright. Let's stir this up. I'm browning the ground chuck. And sauteing the onions with it. I've got my NuWave on 275. I'm going to go on and put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder in here. There's 1. And here's 2. And I'm going to go on and put onion powder in here because that just gives it a even better flavor with the onions. I'm putting 2 teaspoons of that. And because I want this to be kind of, I don't know, have a little bit of Chinese flavoring to it or whatever, I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. Alright. I've never used that before either. I've got I've got a Chinese 5-spice that said Best Buy 51812. Of course, you know spices don't go bad, so that's how long I've had it and never used it. It had not been opened. Alright, so I'm going to put in 1 heaping teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 1 heaping of chicken bouillon. I'm going to put in, let's see, about a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's see that. Alright. Yep, got everything else in here. Alright, I'm going to put in a couple of squirts of ginger. Alright. Got that in there. Let me stir all this up. It's still not brown all the way, but I'm just sauteing it until it gets brown. And I'm going to put, I don't know, I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And that's it for right now. I'm going to let this go on and finish browning and all these seasonings melding in together with this. And then I've got some other things that I'm going to put in it. And I will bring you back. Alright, I'm back. I forgot. I'm going to put 1 heaping teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper and about 1.5, now I'll just do 1 heaping teaspoon of kosher salt. Alright, and so that's, I'll let that cook some more and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I'm going to put the remaining ingredients in it now and cook it. And I'm going to put the lid on here, and I'm going to cook it on low for, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes, maybe even longer than that. I may just let it simmer around. All right, you can see every time you lift your... All right, so I'm going to put in a can of Del Monte Petite Cut diced tomatoes. All right, and then I'm going to put in a can of Hunt's no salt added tomato sauce. And I'm probably going to put a can of water in here too for the broccoli slaw, so it'll have enough liquid to cover it and make it tender. All right, so I've got a bag of organic market side broccoli slaw, which is broccoli, carrots, and red cabbage. And I'm going to put that in here. All right, now let's get this, see how much. Yeah, I'm gonna put a can of water in here with this. You could use chicken broth or chicken stock or chicken bone broth or whatever, but I'm just gonna use water. So I'm gonna put one of my Hunt's can, I'm going to put the Hunt's can of water in here, and then I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to turn my NuWave down to 220 and just let this simmer for a while, and I'll bring you back when this is done. Okay, I'm back. All right, so this is cooked for 35 minutes, and I've made a plate here. I need to take a picture. All right, let me bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've just got this on a paper plate because I'm just trying this because this will be for dinner tonight, and it's got the mushrooms. It smells really good, really good. But I want y'all to see the, I want to taste this and see, because it looks like it may taste like spaghetti. And then you spill half of it on you. Because y'all know me. I'm messy, messy, messy. Alright, now let me try this again. Alright, so I've got this cooking. It's been cooking now for 35 minutes. And I'm going to let it cook down some. And this really does taste like spaghetti. This slaw, broccoli slaw, needs to be a little bit more tender, and then it will be just like spaghetti. And you could get the Rouse or the Mazzetti, I think it's Mazzetti or Rouse tomato sauce, and this would be really keto, because this broccoli slaw, broccoli and cabbage, you can eat. Really, I mean, that's one of the broccoli and cabbage you can eat as much as you want on keto. And so the tomatoes are in here, but if you got the Rouse or the Mazzetti and use that, oh my gosh, this is good. Let me. See, it's got the mushrooms and it's got the petite diced tomatoes and then all the spices that I put in it, that 5 spice and the soy sauce. It tastes like a little bit spicy because I put in that half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It's a little bit spicy, but it does taste like spaghetti. Wow, this will be my spaghetti from now on. I will tell y'all that. This will definitely be my spaghetti. Alright. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and other things that I use in my kitchen from Amazon. And I hope you'll have a good day. Bye.